Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily book an Air Canada ticket online. So you can start here by entering a location where you're going to depart from. And next is the location you're arriving in. Also select departure date and return date. Also choose the cabin type, whether it's economy, premium economy, or business. Then click on search. So as per the information that we provided about our preferred flight, these are the lists of packages or tickets that we can avail. Say for example, we want to book this Days In by Windham London. Just click on select. Then click on continue. Make sure to read all the details, then once done, just press on continue. Proceed. So from here, just fill out all the necessary information about the travelers. Then once done, just click on continue. Double check that all the details that you entered are all correct. And you can also add in a travel insurance from here just by clicking on add. But if you don't want to avail travel insurance, just check this. I decline protection for my trip and understand I may be responsible for non-refundable expenses. Then once done, just click on continue. So from here, just confirm that all the details you entered is all correct. And next is select payment options if you want to pay it fully or want to pay it monthly with FlexPay. You can also add in a promo code if you have one. Then from here, just choose payment method. If you have Air Canada gift card, you can enter it here. And if you choose to pay via credit card, just fill in all the necessary information about your credit card. Then once done, just click on confirm payment. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!